If you want to change wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A17, then in that case we need to open Settings. Next, in Settings, we can scroll down until you find Wallpaper and Style. In here, go to Change Wallpapers, and then you can choose whichever wallpaper you wish to use. You can, for example, go to Features, go to Graphical, Colors, and so on and so forth. You should be able to find some example wallpapers. So let's say I'm going to choose this one over here. We can set it for the lock screen and home screen for both of them, or just separately if you want to. Go ahead and press Next once you're ready. And then in some cases, we can also zoom in, zoom out, and find some additional options at the bottom of the screen. In this case, I can choose a different color. So for example, I'm going to choose this blue one. In some cases, we have different options, of course. You can switch the preview to home by tapping on this home button here at the bottom. So you can see how it looks like in the home screen and lock screen. And once you are done with the customization, press done in the top right corner. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.